Going to see question number 12, exercise 1.1. Find the matrix A for which A into 2 by 2 matrix, first row elements 5, 3, second row elements minus 1, 2 is equal to 2 by 2 matrix, first row elements 14, 7, second row elements 7, 7. Now, given relation is or given equation is A into this matrix equal to this 2 by 2 matrix. This is the given relation. From this one, we want to find out the matrix A. So, I am going to call it this matrix as B and this matrix as C. Now, let us take B is equal to 2 by 2 matrix 5, 3, minus 1, 2 and C is equal to 2 by 2 matrix 14, 7, 7, 7. So, the given equation number 1 implies A into this is B we taken equal to C. Post multiplying by B inverse. Why I am taking post multiplying? B I want to cancel because I want to find out the value of A. So, I am going to cancelling B. That is possible only by taking B inverse. So, B is in the second place. So, I am post multiplying by B inverse. We get because here order is very, very important. So, A, B into B inverse. That is the meaning for post multiplying equal to C into B inverse. Next, by associative axiom, I am going to interchanging the brackets. A into B inverse is equal to C B inverse. Okay. Now, B into B inverse becomes I. This is one matrix into its inverse. The answer is I. A into I is equal to C into B inverse. Or A into I, this is a unit matrix. So, any unit matrix with A, it is just like 1 into 2. The answer is 2. Like that, A into I is A. Suppose B into I means B. C into I means C. D into I means D. Likewise, A is equal to C into B inverse. So, the matrix A, we want to find the matrix A. We want C that we have already, but B inverse. So, we want to find out B inverse. If you multiply these two, you will get the matrix A. So, I am going to finding B inverse. So, B inverse means first I want to find out determinant B because the formula for B inverse is 1 by determinant B into adjoint of B. Now, determinant B is equal to, look at this B matrix, determinant B is 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. That is this matrix I am taking determinant. We can write it in symbol. This is the notation for matrix. This is nothing but determinant notation. So, expand it, you will get 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Already one minus is there. So, plus 3. Minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7, which is not equal to 0. So, B inverse will exist. Next, adjoint of B means we want to interchange the leading diagonal elements. So, you will get 5 minus 2 becomes minus 2, 5. So, here minus 2, 5. Then other two elements we want to interchange the sign. That is minus 3, this is plus 1. Substitute B inverse. You write first formula 1 by determinant B into adjoint of B. Substitute it 1 by minus 7 into adjoint of B value. So, we want to find out now A. A means A is equal to, we already calculated, A equal to C into B inverse. That is the matrix C. Write it. B inverse, substitute it. So, here this value. Now, in this first matrix, all the elements of multiples of 7. So, I can take 7 outside. The reason here scalar 1 by minus 7 is there. If you have 7, here luckily you are getting same 7. So, if you take 7 outside, this 7 and this outside number 1 by minus 7, this denominator 7 get cancelled. So, for this simplification only I am taking outside 7. So, 7 if I take outside, you will get 2, 1, 1, 1. This is 1 by minus 7 into the same matrix. So, A is equal to 7 by minus 7 into this matrix into this matrix. Simplify, that is cancel out first minus 1. Then multiplication of two matrices, row by column method. First row with first column is 2 into minus 2. 2 into See once again, here 7 into this matrix into 1 by minus 7 into this matrix. So 7, this here scalar is 1 by minus 7, that you write it as 7 by minus 7. This matrix as it is, this matrix as it is. Get cancel, you will get minus 1 into multiply the two matrices by using row by column method. First row with first column, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 1 into 1 is plus 1. First row with the second column, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, plus 1 into 5 is 5. Second row with the first column, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, plus 1 into 1 is 1. Second row with the second column, 1 into minus 3, plus 1 into 5 is 5. So, minus 1, that is same as minus of, simplify this, minus 3, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, this is 2. Bring it minus inside, you will get 3, 1, 1, minus 2. This is the matrix A. That is, which implies the matrix A equal to 2 by 2 matrix 3, 1, 1, minus 2. That's all.